How to incorporate chia seeds into your daily diet.
Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to incorporate chia seeds into your daily diet to ensure you're getting enough. Chia seeds are nutrient-dense, packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making them an excellent addition to your meals. Let's dive in.
What is the recommended daily intake of chia seeds?
To ensure you're getting the most benefits from chia seeds, aim for 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. This amount should provide you with a healthy dose of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and other essential nutrients.
How can I add chia seeds to my breakfast?
Sprinkle chia seeds on your cereal, yogurt, or oatmeal. Mix chia seeds into a smoothie for added texture and nutrients. Make a chia pudding by combining chia seeds with milk, or a milk alternative, and your choice of sweetener and letting it sit overnight.
What about lunch and dinner?
Use chia seeds as a salad topping for extra crunch and nutrients. Incorporate chia seeds into your favorite recipes, such as soups, stews, or casseroles. Mix chia seeds into homemade salad dressings or sauces for added thickness and nutrition.
How can I include chia seeds in my snacks?
Make chia energy balls by combining chia seeds with nuts, dried fruits, and a natural sweetener. Add chia seeds to your homemade granola bars or trail mix for extra crunch. Mix chia seeds into nut butter and enjoy with fruit or crackers.
Can I use chia seeds in baking?
Use chia seeds as a partial replacement for other seeds or nuts in recipes. Create a chia egg by mixing 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water, allowing it to thicken, and using it as an egg substitute in baking. Add chia seeds to muffins, cookies, or breads for added texture and nutrition. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet is easy and versatile. With just a few simple ideas and a daily intake of 1 to 2 tablespoons, you can ensure you're getting the most out of these nutritious seeds. Enjoy experimenting with chia seeds in your meals, and happy eating!